Everyday Kayla.
Today we are making Beryl's muffin double chocolate with 200g chocolate chips inside. And then we have butter, 95 ml of water, and 2 fresh eggs. Let me see. And this one, of course. Uh-oh. Where's the chocolate chips? Where's the chocolate chips? First, we have to preheat oven at 200°C. Place paper cups in a muffin molds. Let's go get the paper cups.
The eggs.
1 second now. You sure? You mean until no more of this?
Yeah.
Even the smash one? Okay then. There's a little bit more. You wanna try the one I eat just now?
I'll do it later.
Huh?
I'll try later.
Okay. Let me try this. Daddy, is it this one? Is the waterfall, Daddy?
Yep.
Everything? How magic or what? No, it's still dry. Magic. It's magic. From short to it's real. But some of it is.
How about butter?
This is butter. I want to cut it.
What's that?
Huh? Here you go. We put the eggs.
Use that one first.
No, we use the eggs. You put the eggs?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, wrongly.
Put it.
Maybe a...
Done.
Wait. This egg is different. Oh, it's correct. Hey.
One.
Yeah. Let's check. Wait, one last check. Okay, there's no. There's a little bit only. Is that okay?
It's okay.
Now, what do you do next? You mix it?
And mix it.
Okay. Oh my god. Or still more?
Still, you need to mix it.
Until the butter is smashed, what is this? See a bit? Mommy, you want to start? Or just me have the fun? The egg, the outside one.
So until you mix it well, okay?
Okay. Until they're no more like very hard.
Yep.
You should have used the like put the water like around here a bit.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. The chocolate chip. That it's butter. We cannot do it like butter like that, right? Still
Yeah.
need to mix it.
Yes. Mix it well.
Can you stir a little bit?
Mix it well.
Now I know how to do it.
Hmm?
Now I know how to do it. Let me try.
Yeah.
Let me
The
try.
butter is still.
Huh?
The butter is still.
The- Spin, 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 spin. You lose.
What's that, Caleb?
Huh?
Is that?
The muffin cups. Can I stir?
There you go. To arrange it.
Alright.
I feel very cool
Really?
this one. Still. A bit more, I think. This should be, I think, let's check. Perfect. Oh. Da, 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 da. Done. First one
Good job.
done. Let's do the second one. The third one. 1, 2, okay. You're gonna say this. You're gonna name it part 2 if we do the next one.
No. Let's
Why?
continue.
Just put that too. Please.
Come on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 one. So yummy. Number 8 one.
Can I do the last one? Caleb? Can I do the last one, please?
Looks like Mentos. Don't go down.
Can I do the last one, please?
Why?
The last cup.
Why?
I want to try.
You try this one last, still almost half.
Yeah?
Yeah. Beep, beep, beep. More. There's not much.
Okay. Stop the video then you make first.
No, I want to wait until it's done.
No.
It's done. The one with chocolate is like this. The one without chocolate is like this. And my one is like this. Cannot open.
How is it, Caleb? How is it? You were sleeping while waiting for this to be done, yeah? How is it, Caleb?
Beryl,
Yeah?
what did you do to the stirring thing?
Hmm.